Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we got a new video featuring these Lasfit floor mats that are precision cut to your car. But before we get into it, I'm going to showcase these LED bulbs one more time. The Lasfit LED bulbs that they had me try out. And just look at that nighttime brightness. It is crazy bright. Probably even brighter than full LEDs, to be honest, at nighttime. And these are 8K lumens, so possibly the brightest you can go. But it makes a huge difference from the halogen bulbs on your car, so I highly recommend checking these out. I'll leave a link to these headlight bulbs in the description down below and the comment section. But now back to the Lasfit floor mats. We gotta check these out here today. Let's open up this box and see what's inside. We got a big package here with all these beautiful Lasfit floor mats in there. Kind of organized it in the way it's going to go into the car. And then we got some extra pieces for the driver's side in case you lose the little piece right there. So very nice to have some spare parts for these floor mats. And then they give you a little user manual with the return policies and company information. All right, let's take out these old OEM floor mats. We don't want carpet in our car. We want these all-weather floor mats in our car. So you just got to unscrew these two on the driver's side and then pull this one out. None of the other floor mats have those little locks. All right, all the mats are out. And now we get to install these Lasfit ones. Let's see how they go in. Starting with the driver's side here. Just want to show something real quick though. Just look at the back of these. They got crazy amounts of grip. It's actually insane. It's got way more than the WeatherTech ones, and these are cheaper, so I definitely think these are probably the best all-weather floor mats out there. So make sure you guys check it out. I will have a link in the description for you to check these out. Let's go ahead and install them. And right off the bat, just laying them in there, it's literally a perfect fit. Once you lock them in here, you're gonna be all set. And there we go. Looks really, really good. All right, passenger side, here we go. And just right off the bat, you just slide these in and it's like perfect. Nothing else you really need to adjust. One thing I really noticed about these though that I really like is that the sides have really high walls. It's really nice that they did that. I think it's a lot better than the WeatherTech ones just for this reason specifically, and for the grip. All right, now we're going to the back of the car, putting these in. It's 3 separate pieces you gotta do. First, we gotta put our seat forward. So pull your driver's seat forward and you guys are gonna be good to install that. Goes right in. All right, so here's our middle piece for the back. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna go under the other floor mats on the side. So I'll show you real quick. It's precision cut, so this is gonna be right to the edge everywhere. And it's gonna go right under like that, and it's just gonna sit flush. Looks really, really good. Now all we gotta do is put in the right side. All right, here we go. We got the right side. And there we go. Looks beautiful. And right over that. Really like how these turned out, you guys. If you guys are interested in purchasing these Lasfit all-weather floor mats, check out the link in the description down below. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out, everybody.